Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Splatoon 3 with mouse and keyboard. It's important to know that Splatoon 3, being a Nintendo Switch game, does not natively support mouse and keyboard. The game is built around its unique controller and motion controls. To use a mouse and keyboard, you will need a special third-party adapter. These devices essentially trick your Switch into thinking you are using a standard controller, translating your inputs. Selecting the correct adapter is crucial for a good experience. Popular options include devices like the XIM Apex or Cronus Zen, and others such as the Mayflash Magic NS or AIMSINIX AX200 Pro. When choosing, prioritize adapters known for low input latency to ensure your actions feel immediate. Also, some adapters can emulate the Switch's gyro controls, which is a significant advantage for aiming in Splatoon 3. Always check reviews for real-world performance. Once you have your adapter, the setup process is straightforward. First, connect the adapter to your Nintendo Switch dock. Then, plug your mouse and keyboard into the adapter's designated USB ports. Most adapters come with companion software, often accessible via a computer or smartphone app, allowing you to customize button mappings. You can assign keyboard keys to controller buttons and fine-tune mouse sensitivity to match your preferred aiming speed. After setting up, dedicate some time to practice. The game's training area is perfect for getting accustomed to your new control scheme. Experiment with various mouse sensitivity settings until you find what feels most natural for precise aiming and quick turns. Remember, the adapter is emulating a controller, so understanding how your mouse movements translate to in-game actions, especially gyro aiming, is key. With practice, you can adapt your playstyle and enjoy Splatoon 3 with mouse and keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.